Hi everybody, it's Morgana Marie, and we're going to be planting some seedlings tonight. I'm in a very close quarters in my apartment, so I'm going to get this done. First of all, you want to protect your workspace, maybe by newspapers. I'm using window plastic. I always have extra window plastic because I use it for sewing projects and other things as well. You're going to need to get some styrofoam cups or something to put your dirt and seeds in for starting your seeds. And I got a package from the Dollar Tree. They're a package of, let me see, a second. 45 foam cups I got from Dollar Tree in order to plant my seeds in. Also, I got their Dollar Tree has some seeds. I've never really had good luck with them, but a lot of people do, so you could go check those out. I got mine at Lowe's. And they ranged in price, the ones I got, from like $1.59 to $1. Most of the ones I'm doing tonight are $1.59 for a package. And then after you plant your own seeds, after your plants grow, you can also use you can take the seeds from like your tomato plants and stuff and dry them and plant them as well. I have a newspaper on top of this little ironing board of mine to kind of prop it up so that you guys can see the plants. Also, you can get little bags of dirt at Dollar Tree, but at Lowe's they have 40-pound bags of topsoil for $1.88 if you want to go that route. That's what I did. I won't be doing garden in a yard this year because I'm in an apartment, so my plants will be in containers. And so we'll be doing a lot of apartment planting here at Morgana Marie's place. Another thing that you would consider is these popsicle sticks. I ripped them in half, and then, I don't know if you can see that, and then I just wrote what I was going to plant in each cup before I planted. I also wet the soil first because I don't have a spritz bottle right now. You're going to want to get a spray bottle of water with the seeds are little. So I just wet the soil instead so that you don't drown the seeds out and then they won't grow. See if there's anything else. Another thing you can do, because it's topsoil, you can mix it with milk water, which I'll be making that at some point this week. And eggshells, crushed eggshells you can put in your soil, which would help as well. Another thing I've tried, which I didn't get this year, is I think it's called Miracle Grow or something like that, and that works really good too if you want to do that. Okay, so enough said. This is obviously a video for people who aren't used to having to plant seeds, but if something like a national emergency or something goes on through the summer, you'll have vegetables. I also bought seeds for lettuces and stuff for a salad garden, but I don't have the containers yet, so I'll be filming that when I do the salad planting. Right now I'm doing herbs and spices that I use in my kitchen, and I'm also doing some pepper and cherry tomato plants. Okay, not very many because I do have a small apartment, and therefore, there's not a lot of room to put a ton of plants. I do have a sunroom, and I do have a little small porch outside this window, which one of these days I'm going to show you. It is like really cool, but not tonight. It is 1:11 in the morning, so we're not going to do that tonight. So you won't be seeing my face very much right now, but I am going to show you how to do this. We're going to start with this sage, okay? And now you can open it up here, or you can do it this way and just kind of cut it off the top. Okay, and then these seeds are extremely tiny. Let me put a couple of them in here. Let me try to show you these. Now, a lot of these herbal seeds are, if you can see them through the mirror, they're very, very tiny seeds. And so, I don't know how to show you this without dropping my seeds over. It's just dropping all over. Let's see here. I got this one caught in between my fingers. Okay. What I'm going to try to do here is just kind of like put 2 or 3 right on top. Okay. Now this particular one is still a little wet, and I tried to put just put a little bit of topsoil, not very much, because these seeds need not to be enough. So I'm just going to put some dry soil on top of them. And then they're all labeled. And then you can put these in a Ziploc baggie, or you can staple them. Put them in front of a sunny window to start. I'm not putting them in my sunroom yet, because it's still rather cold in my sunroom. So let's see, we got the 2 sages done, and now we're going to do some thyme here. Just going to cut off the top. This will also help you have fresh vegetables all summer, and it'll help you save money as well. When my kids were home, I did that. We had a salad garden, we had squash and cucumbers, and we tried corn one year. Epic fail. We grew the pie pumpkins and stuff, so I mean, it's really, it's pretty cool. But, you know, these are like just, you can't even see these, you can barely see the thyme. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of them in here. It's always good to do more than 1 seed in case they don't, in case they fail. So, but if you get 3, they get to a certain point, and you just separate them into their own little container or into the ground, depending on what your garden is like. Okay, so see, I just put like a little tiny bit in there. I don't know if you can see very well. The lighting's off. I'm so sorry. But, and then you put them again in front of a sunny window. As far as the tools you need for gardening, mine are in my storage shed, and I forgot, I thought they were here, so, but I wanted to get this video out today, so I used a tablespoon to put my dirt in there. But you can get those at Dollar Tree. They're not very expensive, or you can get them at the hardware stores, or, you know, wherever you buy your seeds, Walmart. Trying to think if there's anything else that you would need. If you have to put them outside, you can make a mini greenhouse. Try to get a video of that as soon as I can to show you guys how to make a mini greenhouse that you could put right on your porch. I know a lot of us do not live on a farm, and we live in an apartment, and so container planting is extremely vital if we're going to plant anything. But at least then you'll have fresh produce to help you stay healthy. They also have like mini trees. Some of the places will sell those little container trees that are meant to be put on your patio. Little orange trees. I think they have like banana trees and stuff like that you might consider as well. So there's just a wide range of possibilities to keep yourself on fresh food all year round. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. and I will try to get to as many of them as I can. And if you have any videos that you would like to see as far as prepping and learning how to do things, please put them in the comments so that I can get those ready for you. You know, what do you need to know, especially the younger generations? What is it that you need so that you are more prepared and you feel safer during all of these times that are happening in our nation and all over the world. So I love you guys, and have a wonderful night.